guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it is very early. It's just before 8 a.m. on the 8th of March. I'm having my morning espresso. There you go, watching all of the finance news on CNBC and all of the news happening around Australia. I've got a flat out day today, so I thought I'd get an early video in because it's going to be chaotic today. But anyway, we've got the Bloomberg director stating that XRP will be used as a global bridge currency by over 7.5 billion people and will scale to an insane level. I know this is crazy, and I know a lot of people think it's just ridiculous, but people have to understand the total size of the cross-border market. It's huge. And again, another rally for XRP incoming. Fed Jerome Powell confirms the regulator has no plans for a central bank digital currency, which is interesting. Shiba Inu moving insanely bullish. A lot of people are buying Shiba Inu right now. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens to SHIB. I'm still holding on to mine, by the way. Now, we've got Pantera Capital, big investor in the crypto space, of course. He's literally eyeing off $250 million in discounted Solana tokens from the collapse of FTX, which is interesting as well. And yes, updates in relation to Gary Gensler in regards to the Ethereum ETFs as well. The S&P 500 is making some decent moves as well. The portfolio is going quite well. And Tether co-founder is predicting Bitcoin to hit 300K. Absolutely madness. Very, very bullish times that we're in. And I'm going to go over my 3 commas trading bots because, again, they are still running and making me profit on OKX, which is very, very bullish. So let's get into the video whilst I'm half asleep. But I had to do this because there's a lot of news coming out. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So make sure you come along on this insane journey because things are getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab. Another sip of the coffee, ladies and gents. Oh, that's probably my 5th one at the moment. I think I got bitten by like mosquitoes last night. It's absolutely horrible. Welcome to Australia, yeah? Anyway, there are just now less than 6,400 blocks for the Bitcoin halving, which is very, very bullish, guys. We're not that far away. And after this, again, I anticipate the market will pump towards the middle to end of this year, like parabolic, and then probably top out towards 2025. So in my opinion, this is when people will start to take profits from these crypto gains. People need to be aware of that. GBTC, or that's Grayscale, bankruptcy liquidations will stop soon, thankfully. And Bitcoin ETFs will be added to more investment platforms as well. And I hope Grayscale or GBTC stops these liquidations because it's really pissing people off. No BS, all right? Top altcoins in my portfolio. XYO's up 43% in 24 hours. Anchor, Hero, Phantom, and AGIX as well. Very, very nice to see these coins pumping today. Total crypto market cap. Let's have a look on coin market cap. We've got 2.55 trillion still, $137 billion in volume. Again, when I said this was going up to like 130, 150, things were going to get pretty wild. I mean, we were seeing over the last couple of days was like $200 billion in trading volume. Huge. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 51%, and we are still at 88%, which is nuts. Now, Bitcoin's trading at $67,718 at the time of recording, and we're just on 8 a.m. here in Melbourne. Australia, it's about 103,000 Aussie dollars, which is crazy. Ethereum's at 3,935. We've got Solana at $147, pumping 11% because of that Pantera Capital news. XRP still at 63 cents. There's a lot of people that are impatient with XRP. Some of my friends are as well. just chill with this, all right? People need to understand the actual project, what it's being used for. It has not been fully adopted yet. Big things are coming for XRP, and I should say Ripple, the company behind XRP. Cardano's at 74 cents. Doge right here, 15 cents. Shiba Inu's down 8.71%. If you didn't take profits when it was pumping at 100%, yeah, it's probably not a good move. So just putting that out there right now. Anyway, some other coins that I'm very, very bullish on. Now, again, Optimism, $4.72 USD. I'm bullish on Optimism. Immutable X at $3.29. Hedera's at 13 cents. XLM is at 14 cents. We have some other gems as well in the portfolio, like Algorand at 27 cents. Scrolling down right here, Quant is at $128. It's up in the green. This thing's been flat for so long, over 12 months. We'll see where this goes. I honestly believe it'll be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset in the next 5 to 10 years. Given the fact that it has less of a supply than Bitcoin, it is going after a significant market. Cross-border payments, central bank digital currencies, as much as I hate them, it is working with governments and institutions around the world as well. So people need to understand partnerships, because that will obviously affect the project in the future. WorldCoin, $7.12 right here. Now again, XDC as well at 4 cents. Very, very bullish on that. And we'll go through all the banking coins in a second. But let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. I put up a lot of information in here. It is linked below in the video description. I literally just posted up there all my altcoins, my dividend investing as well, news. I post up a lot of information in here, guys. There is 1,827 posts. Seriously, guys, there's bullish information in here. The community's freaking awesome. Everybody's talking to each other in the chat feature. It's really great. You can direct message me as well, but bear in mind it'll take me some time to get back to you. I have been doing that slowly, and I was doing that yesterday, which is really nice as well. We're over 900 plus members. It's absolutely incredible. So go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. I've kept it at like $5 a month, which is nothing compared to what my 3 commas bots are making on OKX. So people have made substantial gains. People are posting up their gains today, recovering from the crash the other day, which was absolutely awesome to see that, people making 600 USDT per day. I mean, plus it's awesome. It really is awesome. Anyway, having a look. Sorry, it's early, guys. On 3 commas. Now, everything is linked below for 3 commas. Join up to 3 commas. Use the referral link. You will get a discount on your monthly membership, and you will also get a significant discount on your yearly membership if you wish to do that. I'm using the monthly pro plan. If you want to buy out the whole year and not worry about any monthly charges, that's completely up to you. I have 75 active bots running at the moment, both on the spot market and on the futures market. I have a significant amount of spot bots trading for me. These do not get liquidated. They move with the market. They simply buy the asset and sell when it's high for you, taking 1.5% profits. So they're constantly moving up and down with the market, as the market moves up and down in value, and these coins do as well. The bots actually automatically adjust the dollar cost averaging strategy for you, take 1.5% profits. So, that's what I do. That's my ideal price target, because anything higher would mean the bots would stay in the deals longer. And that's pretty much how it's done. Now, the multi-bots, you can trade all the perpetual contracts. You can trade 20, 10, 5, whatever you like. I'm trading all the perpetual contracts on OKX. And these bots have made some significant gains, which is nice. I'm trading both long and short with those. Again, as a hedge against market movement. I'm also trading single pairs on a long position with an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame with 15x leverage. Now, there are some changes happening with OKX. I just want to point that out. The Australian government has cracked down on all cryptocurrency exchanges, which is annoying. We will have to become registered as wholesale clients. I'm not entirely sure how this will affect OKX in Australia in terms of leverage trading, but if it's anything like Binance, it would probably be you'd have to KYC again, qualify for that wholesale client description, I guess, and you would obviously only be allowed to trade a maximum amount of leverage. This is what happened on Binance. So I can only trade with a maximum of 10x on Binance. So we'll see how we go with this. I'm still up $1,900 on the week, which is crazy. And on the month, I'm up $8,000. That really goes a long way to help pay the bills and, of course, support the family and whatever else. All right, so it's crazy stuff. 128 open orders in the books. and 58 open positions trading at the moment, both long and short. And the spot market, I've been getting a few questions about this. The spot trading bots, basically, you can see in your assets. You literally buy the asset and sell when it goes up. So it's spot trading, right? So you're not using the trades for leverage. So the bots will automatically take profits when the price goes up. Anyway, it's incredible software. Go check it out. I want to keep moving on in this video. Crypto bubbles on the hour right now. We've got Jasmine pumping 5.9%, AKT at 5.1%. On the day, it's an absolute sea of green, which is really nice to see this because the other day it was absolutely crashing. I'm only going to focus on Solana. That's 11.9% on the day, 12% on the week, 55% on the month, and we're still up 725% on the year. 700%. Do people understand how significant that is? 700%. The S&P 500 only peaks around 8 to 10% if you're lucky, and 13% if it's like a golden year. Coming out of the situation we all went through a couple of years ago around the world, the S&P 500 was doing quite well. It tanked and it peaked. So, I mean, 700% for Solana is crazy. I honestly do believe that Solana will have a market movement like what Raoul Pal has predicted. It's got a lot of transaction capability. Well and truly, that is the reason why Visa has partnered with it. Low fees, absolutely insane transactions per second with Solana. It's just the beginning, and I'm extremely bullish on it. So do your research, guys. Now, we've got the interesting news right here, but breaking Bloomberg director states that XRP will be used for global use to over 7.5 billion people and will scale to at least $9,729. I don't care. I just love having fun with this because anything is freaking possible. Anything is possible. There are so many people out there that said that Bitcoin would never go to these kind of levels. Well, it did, and it's gone past that just. So no one is able to, state that, this will not happen. Anything is possible. We have not seen the full utility of XRP at all. It's been suppressed. There's been legal battles. There's been a lot of drama with this. And we know for a fact, though, that banks and institutions around the world have partnered with Ripple. They wouldn't have partnered with the derivatives market either if this weren't the case. So just stay patient with this long term. I know a lot of people are impatient. Takes freaking time, all right? Now, moving on, again, yes, we could see a rally of 383% with XRP to be interesting. Fed Jerome Powell, though, confirms the regulator has no plans to recommend or adopt a central bank digital currency. I think this is coming out now because, yes, Donald Trump, and as much as I hate getting political on this channel, has said that they will not be adopting central bank digital currencies. And yes, this morning, Gucci's going off at the moment. Gucci! Welcome to my crazy life, guys. Shiba Inu moving insanely bullish for global adoption with Shiba name launch as 0.001 Shiba Inu price beckons. What do you think about this, guys? Because again, I haven't sold any of my Shiba Inu. It's going to be fascinating to see what happens with this. But the news unveiled on Wednesday, the latest edition of Sheeb magazine. This is Sheeb magazine. Can you believe that? The Sheeb army fueling optimism for a monumental price surge for Shiba Inu to coveted 0.001 price. Notably, the magazine disclosed the long-term awaited registration of launch for Sheeb names, stating that users can seize the exclusive chance to claim the desired Sheeb names at a discounted rates before wider availability. Anyway, meme coins, guys, meme coins. Moving on, we've got the bullish news that Pantera Capital eyes off $250 million of discounted Solana tokens from FTX estate. Sam Bankman-Fried still causing chaos amongst the markets. Absolute goose. Hope you're enjoying your house arrest, mate. According to the report, the company has initiated a Pantera Solana fund to acquire $250 million of Solana tokens from distressed FTX estate. This move entails purchasing Solana at a discounted rate of approximately 39%, pegged to around $59 based on the 30-day average price. So they get to buy it for literally half the price. Nuts. Anyway, that's going to send it pumping. Gary Gensler, again, defers questions about his stance on Ethereum. The guy's an absolute clown, and at the recent interview declined to answer a question on his stance about Ethereum status, market impact, and regulatory outlook. Of course, Gary Gensler, you're an absolute flog. Sorry, mate. The S&P 500 reclaims an all-time high as Powell hints at a rate cut. I saw something on the news, one of my incredible friends and XRP Army enthusiasts, the Australian government is anticipating a rate cut come September, which is going to be very, very interesting as well. Can't wait to see that. I think everybody's waiting for that. Moving on, so I'm just watching on the news now. We've got Mike Tyson fighting Logan. Is it Logan? No, Jake Paul. Oh, what the hell, man? It's unbelievable. Anyway, Tether co-founder believes Bitcoin could hit 300K based on historic patterns. That's going to be extremely bullish. And Tether co-founder William Quigley said Bitcoin could potentially surge to $300,000 at the peak of the current bull market based on historical patterns of past halvings. He shared that insight during an interview on CNBC where he discussed the market conditions influencing Bitcoin's halving approaches. If you applied the historical patterns, it would suggest that Bitcoin being in excess of $300,000 at the peak of this next bull market. Wow. Can't wait for that. Crypto meter.io, let's see where the money's flowing, ladies and gentlemen. We've got money going into Ethereum, Solana, of course, Matic. We've got DOT, AGIX. We have Pepe. I'm not investing in that. I'm trading it. Shiba Inu as well. Let's go to X. Sorry, my dog's going absolutely parabolic. Thank you to those 6,206 people. You guys absolutely rock. I appreciate that. Again, yes, Logan Paul, one of the Pauls, Jake Paul is fighting Mike Tyson. That is bullish. I hope Mike shows what he's truly capable of, even though he's like well and truly retired. We've got $332 million of net inflow on the 6th of March. We've got Tesla buying Bitcoin, which is very, very bullish. Bull run has just started. Yes, that is incredible. Solana price hit a multi-year high at $150. DApp activity, or decentralized application activity, surges, which is very, very interesting as well. Stellar, hitting a huge milestone for smart contracts as well. So it's very, very bullish on the Stellar network. Andrew, thank you for this tweet, mate. Look forward to seeing you up there at the XRP Gold Coast. The rate cut is forecasted for September 2024. Why don't they do that earlier? Because a lot of people are struggling at the moment. Absolutely crazy. Yes, this is crazy, but 7.5 billion people for the XRP cryptocurrency to be used as a bridge currency. You know, if it hits $9,000, look out, because I'll be on a super yacht somewhere in the Mediterranean in summer. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 82 right now. Gary Gensler, have a listen to this clown.
One could just look at the volatility of Bitcoin in the last few days. And look, I grew up loving roller coasters. Maybe in my adult years, I don't ride them as much, but you really should be conscious as the investing public that this is a bit of a roller coaster ride on these volatile assets. And then the question is how firm is the foundation of the, you get to the top of that hill, how's the foundation underneath it? This is a highly...
I don't really like watching Gary Gensler at 8 o'clock in the morning, to be quite honest with you. And yes, Rob Kiyosaki believes 300K is the next step for Bitcoin. But that is it today, guys. I'm out of here. Make sure you stay bullish, stay focused, get educated, buy the books. I keep saying this. Get educated. Learn as much as you can about money, how it works, how to use it to your advantage. Learn how to store it. Get educated on what to do with these crypto gains. All of the books listed below are very, very important to get knowledgeable on, finances in general, because a lot of us, unfortunately, weren't educated in this space. And, as I said, I'm lucky enough to have a family and business, but it's been hard to learn all of this stuff, but I have learnt it all, and it's changed my life forever. One of those is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Rob Kiyosaki. It is linked below. It is essential. It's like the Bible to just get started. There are many other books down there below. Have a read of them, carry them around, store them at your office, home, in your car, whenever you've got spare time or you're flying or something like that. Go grab yourself one of these books down below. It's just essential to learn and educate yourself. Anyway, I'm out of here. Have a good day. I'll speak to everyone later on in the community tab and in the Patreon, of course, the Wall Street Bull University. Go join up below. It's extremely bullish. Have a good day. And go and have an espresso, because I'm going to have another one right now. But anyway, stay safe, guys. I'll speak to you soon, all right? Peace out.